Okay, so once you've completed your portfolio in InDesign, I don't want you to turn in an InDesign file. I want you to turn in a PDF. So the first thing that we're going to do is go to File and Document Setup. And you want to make sure that Facing Pages is unchecked. So check that box off. Facing Pages you want to be unchecked and say OK. Then it turned your document into single pages. The other thing that will make it look better is if you go into your master pages. So I'm going to go into Pages and double click inside my master pages. And we discovered a little glitch with how the master pages was showing up when your file's single pages. So just understand that if you want your master pages to look nice with your page numbers for what we're going to be doing later on, you should center the content. So I just would click down here on my master page content. If I'm in the type tool, then I can click up here to center alignment. And then same thing for this other one. Click down in that spot, go to my type tool, and click center align. And that's what those lines are. If you zoomed in close, you would see that they are the information. It's got the page number and it says your name portfolio. Please make sure you've gone into master items and changed that. I'll definitely mark you down if it has my name down there. Okay, that's what it is in the template. Okay, so once you've done that, you're going to do a save. So Command S, and then File, Export. When you do File, Export, you'll see a dialog box. You want to make sure that this is called your name, Jenny Portfolio. And then you're going to put it in your portfolio folder in your Google Drive. And if you are not planning on printing your portfolio, then right here under Format, you're going to choose Adobe Interactive. Because we're going to be putting these portfolios on a website. That's your final. And you're going to need to make sure you have already made an interactive PDF. So you're going to save this as interactive PDF and then save. Here, usually you can just keep everything on its default setting and say OK. And a couple dialog boxes will come up saying your color space is going to change from CMYK to RGB. That's because you're going from a print document to a web document. When you're done, it's going to come up in Acrobat, and you want to test it out and make sure it looks okay and that you have single pages, not facing pages. So this is how it should look. If you are printing your portfolio, you're going to want to save another one. So File, Export, and here you could add print to the end of that so you know what it's for. And click here and say print. So now my preset under Adobe PDF is for print instead of just interactive. And save and export. And that will be a much higher quality because the interactive one compressed all of your images and made them good for loading quickly on the web, but not so good for printing. Finally, if you plan on being an advanced student next year, or you want to be able to come back and edit your portfolio later, you need to package your file. Packaging your file saves all the fonts that were used and all the linked files and everything. So if you opened it on another computer somewhere, if it's a packaged file, everything will open well for you. So last thing you'll do is say File, Package, and go ahead and package it. These are instructions. You don't need to do that. So you can give it a name, portfolio, working file. And what the package does is it gives you lots of different files. So let's see, where did I put this? I probably put this one in my Dropbox. So just know, you guys, that it will put it in a folder that has additional information. I don't have that one right here for you guys because I'm not sure where I put it. I should have been paying attention. Let's see. File, package. It'll tell me where it's going. Oh, I put it inside GD1 inside Portfolio. So I'll show you in GD1 inside Portfolio. It says right here, see, it created a folder that says Portfolio Working File, and if I clicked on that, it's given me fonts, all the files that were linked, and the fonts, and then the InDesign template. That's the only way that this would open up on another computer. Okay? So there's 3 ways I've shown you how to save. One way is a requirement. That's PDF Interactive. The second way is PDF print. That's if you're going to be printing it out. And the third way is packaging. That's if you're going to be an advanced student next year in GD2, or you just want to be able to have access to this file in the future. Then you need to package. All right, then submit it to Infinite Campus, and that's worth 100 points, 2 times a normal project.